BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in March of this year, I let you know that CPUs that are missing the POPCNT instruction will also not be getting Windows 11 24H2. And I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen. And my reason for mentioning that video is just to give you a heads up that if you are updating to Nvidia driver 555 and newer, starting with the release of that version of the driver, according to Nvidia, if you are still using a Windows PC, and I think this will mainly affect Windows 10 users, without POPCNT CPU instructions, so that would be, as an example, a Core 2 Duo, and it has an Nvidia GPU from the Maxwell generation, as an example, GTX 750, or newer installed, according to Nvidia, it's going to result in the system crashing with the dreaded blue screen of death with the error code system thread exception not handled. So I think this is going to be affecting more the minority than the majority, and I don't really see why you would be running Windows on such old unsupported hardware. But nonetheless, if we head over to that announcement by Nvidia, which was announced on the 25th of June this year, so that's a couple of days ago, but nonetheless is still relevant. And in this paragraph here, they give us the important bit saying that beginning with the release of 555, Nvidia display drivers will no longer support older CPUs that do not support POPCNT, which stands for Population Count Instruction. They carry on to say, while these CPUs are already officially not supported on Microsoft's Windows 10, Windows 11, if a user with a PC using an unsupported CPU attempts to install or 555 or newer display drivers, the PC will bug check or blue screen of death when booting into Windows. So basically, you're just going to get a boot loop with a blue screen of death, and your system will not boot if you try to and are wanting to upgrade those older systems, mainly affecting Windows 10 PCs, I would say, with an Nvidia driver 555. Now, if you want to get some more information and if you want to check if you are affected, then you can just follow the instructions on this page. I'll leave this link down below in the end screen if you'd like more info. But just giving you a heads up, because obviously now it's not just Microsoft and Windows that are clamping down on CPUs without POPCNT instruction. Nvidia now is following suit, and kind of makes sense if you think of it, because that is a very old CPU, and I think would be affecting more the minority than the majority. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.